Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use AI to create personal budgets, helping you track expenses, set financial goals, and manage money more efficiently. If you want a smarter way to take control of your finances, this guide is for you. Hash AI powered budgeting apps. Tools like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard use AI to categorize transactions, analyze spending habits, and provide personalized financial insights to help you stay on track. Automated expense tracking. AI driven apps connect to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically tracking expenses and organizing them into categories. This eliminates manual data entry and gives real time spending insights. Smart savings recommendations. AI analyzes your income and expenses to suggest realistic savings goals. Apps like Digit and Clio use predictive algorithms to move small amounts into savings automatically without disrupting daily expenses. Bill management and alerts. Budgeting tools with AI, such as Trim and Truebill, detect recurring bills, negotiate lower rates, and send alerts for upcoming payments, helping you avoid late fees and unnecessary charges. Spending insights and forecasting. AI-powered financial assistants like Emma and Wally predict future expenses based on past spending patterns, giving you a clearer picture of your budget and potential financial risks. AI-driven investment and wealth management. Apps like Acorns and Wealthfront integrate AI to automate investing, rounding up spare change from purchases and allocating funds based on your financial goals. Using AI to manage personal budgets simplifies financial planning and helps you make smarter money decisions. Have you tried an AI budgeting tool? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next one.